BCAMCNC Machinery Company Limited was established with the most discriminating customers in mind and has proven itself quality-wise by selling our products to over 90 countries worldwide successfully. Belong to BCAMCNC Machinery Shandong Company Limited, professional machinery manufacturing company with professional product design and development capabilities, a highly specialized workforce, and more than 20 patent technologies, has gained a global reputation. BCAMCNC Machinery Shandong, comprehensive in the production, design, manufacturing, trade, and service of CNC machine, like CNC router, edge banding machine, CNC woodworking machines, fiber laser cutting machine, and other woodworking machines. Carbon dioxide laser cutting machine. Our wide variety products used in the field of signage, sheet metal processing, aerospace. All our products are precision engineered to ensure the high standard expected from ourselves. The whole manufacturing process is meticulously and systematically controlled to guarantee the precision and quality. Customer service excellence. Jinan BCAMCNC have a strong and resourceful sales and technical support teams who are well trained to provide our customer possible service. For better service to our customer, BCAMCNC has already established sales and service branches and warehouse, French, UK, Germany, Dubai. BCAMCNC Machinery, Shandong, has more than 17 years of experience and has built and installed thousands of machines for industries, including metal composite cladding, sheet metal processing, signs, advertising, auto parts, metal crafts, metal letters, graphics and print finishing, metal fabrication, solid surface, and many more.